Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Bella. Thank you so much for tuning in. And today's guys video, I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing oil for your hair grow. This oil is for everyone, but especially you who's struggling with hair grow. You do anything but nothing is working. So if you want to see exactly how I made this amazing oil, stay tuned. So without further ado, let's just jump to the video. So our first ingredient is gloves. Gloves is an amazing ingredient for your hair grow. You can find gloves in any Indian store. That's where I get mine, or you can find it at Amazon. Gloves is an amazing ingredient. And the next one, it's black seed. Black seed also, it's very good for your hair grow. If you having baldness, you have alopecia, any problem in your hair, this is good for you. And our last ingredient is onion seeds, or kalonji. That's how the Indian people call it. So it's very good for your hair grow. You know guys, onion is good for your hair overall. So mixing all these three ingredients is just amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and use avocado oil. And I'm also I love avocado oil because it's very light and it's easy to penetrate to your hair shaft. It's easy to penetrate to your scalp. So yes, and also I'm gonna use extra virgin olive oil. I love olive oil because again, it's very light, it's easy to penetrate in your scalp, and it's very good. So first thing, I put my oil in the pan, and then I'm gonna go ahead um mix all the ingredients. For before we go further, I'm gonna tell you guys, I'm using right now to fry the ingredient. I'm using only olive oil. So I'm only using olive oil to fry all the ingredients. So the first ingredient I put in the pan after the oil was a little bit hot was cloves, and then I follow with black seed, and last I put the onion seed. Yes, so that's how I put it, and then I'm gonna leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. You just have to be around it. Don't leave it and go. No, don't do that. Just stick around and make sure you just keep turning it for good 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. That should be good enough, or until you see all the ingredients mixed up and it's kind of dryish. Yes, it give you like a brownish color, and then you know that the ingredient it's good to go. And as you can see, it's been a good 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and let it cool off. As you can see, now it's all cool off, and then we're gonna go ahead and strain and collect only the oil, because the only thing we need here is oil. We don't need all this ingredient after we mix all of them, after we and after we fry it. We don't need it anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and strain it. So you really have to make sure that you strain it well, so that way you don't end up with any grains in your hair, because the onion seeds, it's very tiny, and also black seed, it's very tiny grains. So you want to make sure that you strain it very well before you start using it. Yes, so the way you use it, it's very simple. I use this on to myself, and I also use it um, for one of my child. And I really don't need this oil, because I usually I have a lot of hair, and my kids also have a lot of hair, but one of them, I see his hair is not growing as it should. So I usually do this, and after that, before I strain it, I'll go ahead add avocado oil. Like I mentioned earlier, that I'm using 2 oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but I prefer to use olive oil and avocado oils. Why? Because it's very light, and it penetrates to your hair shaft and also to your scalp very easily. That's why I prefer those 2 oils. So now I'm gonna go ahead and strain the ingredient to collect the oil. And before while I'm doing this, guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, it's time for you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because I have so many good DIY for your hair grow. I do so many different DIY for your hair grow, so you don't want to miss anything. Go ahead, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification so you'll be notified every time I post a video, and like this video please, and share it with friends and family, and don't forget to leave me a comment. I love to read you guys. I love to hear what you have to say about the product, if you have used it or if you heard about it. Guys, trust me, this product is really good because it's natural. There's no chemical. The entire family can use it. Even your baby can use this oil. There's no chemical, there's no harm into this product. So go ahead, share this video with friends and family so everybody can actually know how to make an amazing oil at home, that will cost you literally nothing, and the time consuming, it's not that, it doesn't take you too much that long to make this oil. So now I'm gonna go ahead and save it in a container, and put it in a home temperature, room temperature. You don't have to keep it in a fridge or anything. And if you wanna keep save it for longer, you can go ahead and add some vitamin E to keep the oil safe for longer. So that's, as you can see now, that's the final look of my oil. This oil, guys, don't underestimate it. It's very good. It's amazing for your hair growth. Once you start using it, you will see a huge difference. And I use it 2 to 3 times a day, or 2 to 3 times a week on my son. What I focus more, it's on focus on the scalp, and then whatever stay in your hand, you can just go ahead and rub it to the, to your hair. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share with friends and family, and I will see you next time with my new video. Please subscribe to my channel. That will help me so much. So once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time with my new video. Bye bye.